Hi, this is Lloyd and Face Farming Business at iba pa. In this video, we are conducting a pregnancy diagnostics for our heifer cow, believed to be 3 months pregnant.
Agak pa.
Since she was artificially inseminated last October 8, 2024. In this video, we are seeing Mr. Antonio Vargas, our local technician, performing the pregnancy diagnostics. He is inserting his hands to the anus to clear the passage to check if there is a fetus inside the womb of the heifer cow. And it is possible that it is 3 months positive now, because as he say, it can touch the ball-like structure inside the womb of the cow. She was inseminated with Red Brahman
Gamay pa na.
A4P. The semen is from the Department of Agriculture here in our country.
Okay.